Hey everyone, my name's Justin. I'm the owner of Jago Wraps in Melbourne. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we here at Jago Wraps go about wrapping a car. So we'll go through the full process: cleaning, prep, disassembly, wrapping, and briefly go through all those stages. Behind me is my 1996 Mark IV Toyota Supra. It's a factory twin-turbo 6-speed. The original paint color is red. It's currently wrapped in one of my favorite colors, Tech Wrap's Kelly Green. The wrap's been on the car for just over 2 years with a ceramic coating. It's not my daily vehicle and stays under a car cover majority of the time, hence why it still turns heads everywhere it goes. Alright, so once we've removed the previous wrap and cleaned the car, we're on to the disassembly stage. So for those wondering how far we take our disassembly, here's an example. Alright, so for this project on the Supra, everything is coming off. So we got the full body kit, so you got the front lip, side skirts, the spats coming off. You got the front bumper, rear bumper, fenders, doors, the hatch itself, the spoiler, everything. This is because we're going all out on the Supra, as the door jambs are getting wrapped, the trunk jambs as well, also the body kit, so all those need to be removed. For any drastic color change, to ensure full coverage and longevity, we believe it is essential to remove all obstructions. It might look chaotic in here at the moment, but trust me, it is organized chaos. So for everyone asking about the color I've chosen for this new wrap, I've gone with Tiny Bot's Matte Lavender. So with this close-up, you can see it is super matte, it's vibrant, it's bright, it's unique, ticked all the boxes for me. It was a definite mission to get this in from Canada. Well worth it though, as the Supra will be a definite one of one in this color. Can't wait to install this, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final results. So we believe prep is the most important step to ensure the best quality wrap. Firstly, we have all the material cut and labeled to ensure smooth workflow. Alright, so once everything's been disassembled, we're on the final stage of prep, and this is where we start the clay bar. So for my clay, I use Meguiar's Surface Smooth Clay Bar, and for the lubricant, I use Chemical Guy's Clay Luber. So clay bar is actually pretty easy. We just spray the panel, and we slowly work in a small 5x5 section throughout the entire car.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. it's never the right time. Yeah. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Break down, only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out deep down. Yeah, I know, I've heard that to let your feelings show is the only way to make friendships grow, but I'm too afraid now. Yeah, I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today.
And it went right through me. I never felt a feeling like this before. Something just happened to me out of the ordinary. I can't ignore. Was it a spell put on me? Some kind of voodoo? Tell me, 'cause I'm not sure. Whatever happened to me, no, I don't need to worry. Said it before. And it went right through me. I never felt a feeling like this before. Something just happened to me out of the ordinary. I can't ignore. Was it a spell put on me? Some kind of voodoo? Tell me, 'cause I'm not sure.
I will give you my heart, perfection, no draft, and I can help you have another vision. Heal your past, a new start. Oh my, oh my, oh my. If you will but be mine, I'll set the tone give you all my time. I'll share with you what's mine. I'll set the tone, I'll be both the rhythm and rhyme. Why don't you just close your eyes, open up your mind, and then follow me deep sea. You will see I'm right. Open up your mind, you just follow me deep sea. Da 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 da, da 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 da. You should follow me deep sea. Da 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 da, da 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 da. You should follow me deep sea. Trust me when I say I'll be here every single day. I can help you find a way, and don't let me be misunderstood. 'Cause I want us, want this to be good. Babe, I won't let you down. My oh my oh my, if you will pop in mine, I'll set the tone, I'll be both the rhythm and rhyme. I'll give you all my time, I'll share with you what's mine. I'll set the tone, I'll be both the rhythm and rhyme. Why don't you just close your eyes, open up your mind, and then follow me deep sea. You will see I'm right. Open up your mind, you just follow me deep sea. Da 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 da, da 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 da. You should follow me deep sea. Da 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 da, da 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 da. You should follow me deep sea. Close your eyes, close your eyes. You should follow me deep sea. Close your eyes, close your eyes. You should follow me deep sea.
Alright, so that wraps up the project with the Supra. You can see the finished product behind me. Couldn't be happier with the end result. Just want to take a minute here to thank those who've helped me along the way. So a big thank you to Stewart at Flexx Motorsports for fixing up the bodywork. Also a huge thank you to Igor at IVD Vinyl Co for supplying our custom stickers on such short notice. And last but not least, a huge thank you to our social media star and photographer Monica for taking our photos and also helping to lay a few panels down on the car. All the socials will be linked in the description below. And for those wanting a vinyl wrap, feel free to check us out on Instagram at jago.wraps and send us a DM.